Hey YouTubers, thank you for tuning in to my channel. This is our very first episode ever, and today I'm going to do a review on the Tillreda at IKEA, and I'm going to make a simple summer pasta recipe while using this device. And if I haven't mentioned it already, I'm your host Morgan. Very pleased with this device already. Please, while I get the water boiling for the pasta, I'm going to have next what I use to test this with before doing this recipe. Okay, starts on. First light that's coming on is, I have it on child safety. I actually like this feature and I like it as a reminder. So hold down 3 seconds. Child safety is off. You can now proceed with turning on the device. A couple of the other features are this button here is for boiling or frying. Then you would increase and lower your temperature here. Now, if I were to turn this on, the device itself here there's no pot, there's no pan. It's going to see that, and an error message is going to come up, so it's not going to get hot. This is also, the other button is a timer. Real interesting. So I'll just give you a little demonstration. Okay, we're turning it on. Child safety is off, turned it on. We're going to choose either, let's boil, error message, because there's nothing on there. This is the fry, okay, error message again, because there's nothing on here. All right, really, our 2 cups of water going in. Okay, I'm going to close this up, turn it on. Oh, almost didn't start. So 4 minutes 52 seconds. Gonna say I was at least 2 seconds off there. So 1 minute 45 seconds. Oh, I see steam coming. I'm not sure. I have to work on my lighting here in this, but I've got steam already at 1 minute 55 seconds. Whoa, guys, look at this. It is boiling already at the 2 minute mark. Wow. All right, about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a tablespoon and a half of butter. There goes the butter. Okay, so I'm gonna throw our garlic in, 3 cloves of garlic. Oh, I could already smell it. Oh my gosh. I think I might actually have this timed well for the pasta. Alright. So, we're going to put our veggies in. I'm going to lower this a little. I don't want the garlic to burn. Okay, zucchini and squash. Okay, about 5 or 6 of these parsley that I took out of my garden. Ripped the leaves off, chopped them very finely. Okay, we're just gonna pour those in. I wish the camera had a sense of smell. This is a great little induction stovetop. Sorry, I'm having a hard time figuring out the words to use. Pasta's almost ready. Just want to get the vegetables a little more cooked. Pasta's going to go right into this. We're going to stir it up with our cheese. I don't put any salt in the recipe because I use salt in my water when I'm doing my pasta. And also I feel that the Parmesan cheese gives it a salty flavoring as well. I'm going to use the tongs for this so I can get in there. Now the fan stays on. You notice I turned it off. Fan stays on to cool off the stovetop. Last step. Cut in half. Beautiful little lemon. Would go really good with the vegetables right there. And there you have it. Very simple summer pasta recipe. Hope you guys enjoyed that video, as fun as it was creating it. Well, I hope you enjoyed that recipe. I apologize that I don't have the dish anymore to do a tasting for you. My wife is a diabetic and she was feeling kind of nauseous and a little shaky, so we went immediately into the dining room and we actually ate the pasta. Well, we've already cleaned up. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I thank you again for tuning in to our first official video, and hope to do some more. And so just wanted to say, be seeing you.